Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter F. Uppercase F, lowercase f. F is for fish. F is for fish. F is for flower. 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 Flower means fool. F is for frog. 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 Frog means madam. F is for flag. 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 Flag means jhanda. F is for fish. F is for flower. F is for frog. F is for frog. Let's write. Standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line. This is letter F. Small curved line and a standing line, sleeping line. This is letter F. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.